welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to, activate the option of authorization of advertising in your TikTok app. So the first step is go to the application of TikTok here, and after that you need to go to the option of your profile. So here in your profile, you need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines. You need to pick here. And after that, you got a panel with three options: Creator Tools, My QR Code, and Settings and Privacy. So now you need to pick in Settings and Privacy. And after that, you need to go to the second options in Settings and Privacy, where set Privacy. So you pick here, and after that, you need to get an option, where set personalization of advertising. Settings advertising. This is the options for a professional account. So you need to activate the professional account, and you got this option up to the option of substitute your content to others. When you activated the professional account, you maybe got the option of authorization of advertising. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.